85,000 tech jobs gone, while companies spent $400 billion on AI. Meta cut 12% of its engineering workforce, then posted a 21% revenue jump. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Salesforce, Intel, all pruning headcount while building AI infrastructure at record scale. The message from the boardroom is blunt. Human labor in non-AI roles is now classified as overhead. Google's transition program promised help. By early 2026, it had placed fewer than 4,000 of 20,000 applicants. California community colleges saw AI enrollments surge 340%. Large tech still mostly hires from elite graduate programs. Workers aged 38 to 52 in QA, technical writing, data annotation are the most exposed and least protected. Microsoft's own modeling projects each surviving engineer carrying 2.3 times the workload by end of 2027. Hiring more becomes economically irrational. After a tech layoff today, finding comparable salary work takes 14 months on average, more than double the time it took a decade ago. If you or someone you know is navigating this, the data matters. Share this and keep questioning the earnings headlines. This is for information only. Always verify with trusted sources.